All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to share everybody and welcome everyone to our phonics class too. Today you are going to miss Teacher James will share you how to pronounce the word correctly and also the phonics class. Now let's see it all together. Okay, so the phonics class, our purpose is focus on how to read the word or pronounce the word correctly. Okay, now let's see it together. So this is our phonics class. Now let's move to the point. Okay, so here we have reading section. So I'm going to tell everybody the word to read together here about the short sound. So in English, we have 5 vowels. In English, we can say long vowel A, E, I, O, U, and short vowel is A, E, I, O, A. So the short vowel, today we are going to talk about A, okay? So let's see together. So the first letter is letter B. So B makes sound B, B. So you should understand that if we can read the word, so you must have the letters vowel and consonants, or consonants and vowel and then consonant. So today I'm going to share you the consonant, vowel, consonant. So letter B is the consonant, okay? Here is a consonant. And the next letter is letter A. So A makes sound A, okay? Here called vowel. And the next is T. T is consonant. So here the form, the short vowel or short reading word. Here consonants plus vowel plus consonants. Okay? You can spell it together. Before you can spell that, you must know the sound. So the sound I'm going to tell you and talk in the first video already. So today we move through our reading about short sound A. Okay? So B sound B, A sound A, T sound T, B, A, T, bat. Okay? So here's the pictures of the word bat. Bat is kind of the animals or bird too. Okay? Now let's move to the next word. The next word is start from letter B again. Is a consonant, A is a vowel, and G is a consonant. So B makes sound B, A makes sound A, and D makes sound G. B, A, G, bag. Okay, here's a consonant. B, A, G, bag. All right, let's move to the next word. Okay, so the first consonant is C. C makes sound K. So C's consonant makes sound K. And the vowel is the same, is A makes sound A. It's a vowel. And the next consonant is T. T makes sound T. K, A, T, cat. K, A, T, cat. It's animal, cat. Okay, let's move to the next word is the same letter again, C. C is a consonant, makes sound K. And A is a vowel, it's a short vowel, makes sound A. And the next consonant is P. P makes sound P. K, A, P, cap. K, A, P, cap. Okay? It's a cap. You wear it when the weather is hot or when you're under the sun. Okay, so the next letter is, so the next word is the same thing, is letter C. So consonant makes sound K, and vowel is the same, is A, short vowel pronoun A. And the next letters, the next consonant is B. B makes sound B. K, A, B, cap. K, A, B, cap. It's kind of the small car or call it taxis. It's the same. Okay, now let's move to the next word. Is letter R. R is the consonant makes sound R. R. R makes sound R. R. And the next vowel is A, short vowel pronoun A. And the next consonant is T, is consonant. T makes sound T. R, A, T, rat. R, A, T, rat. Okay, it's rats coming here. Is small rat can buy anything that you don't keep it nicely. Okay, okay, so move to the next word is F, consonant. F consonant makes sound F, F. And A is a short vowel pronoun A. And the next consonant is N, makes sound N, F, and fan. F and fan. When you are hot, you need a fan, right? F. F sound F. A sound A. N sound N. F and fan. Okay. Let's move to the next. Is consonant S. S makes sound S, S, and vowel sound A. And CK also called consonant. CK makes sound K, S, A, K, sack, sack, S, A, K, sack, sack. Okay, when you want to use something, you need sack to keep your things. Okay, like rice, something else. Okay, and the last letter or the last word is we. We is consonant. We makes sound W, W. So your mouth open too big. W, W. And our vowel is the same, A. Okay, and the last letters or consonant is N. N makes sound words because I read and tell everybody already about this. So here N makes sound N, W, and one, one, W, and one, right? Here is a one. Okay. Now come to the end of our phonics class today. Thank you for your time and see you or meet me, Teacher James, again the next video. Thank you.